If you want to quickly insert a horizontal line in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step method to add a clean horizontal line anywhere in your document so you can separate sections, improve formatting, and make your page look more professional. This is a really useful trick whether you're working on notes, reports, letters, or any kind of document in LibreOffice. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, look at the left side under Create and click Write a Document. This will open a new blank document where you can start working. Now, before adding the line, click exactly where you want the horizontal line to appear. This is important because the line will be inserted based on the position of your cursor. If you want it between two paragraphs, place the cursor on the line where you want that separation to happen. After that, look at the top of the window for the drawing toolbar. This toolbar contains the tools you need to create shapes and lines inside your document. If you don't see it right away, make sure your toolbar is visible and active. Next, click the line tool. Once you select it, your mouse pointer will let you draw a line directly on the page. Now click and hold your mouse button, then drag across the page to create a straight horizontal line. Try to drag it from one side to the other in a smooth motion so the line looks neat and even. As soon as you release the mouse button, the horizontal line will be inserted into your writer document. If needed, you can adjust it afterward. One of the best things about this method is that you can move or resize the line anytime after inserting it. So if it's not quite positioned where you want it, you can click on it and make changes until it looks perfect. This gives you a lot more control over your layout and formatting. You can also use this same method to add multiple lines throughout the document whenever you need better visual separation. It's a simple feature, but it can really improve the readability of your work. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert a horizontal line in LibreOffice Writer. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.